Okay, I have another lock from Adrian in Spain. It's a Mac lock. This is the keyway. Does not really have any other markings on this lock except MAC. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, the lock does work. It's not a key retaining lock. The key can be removed when the lock is open. Okay, it is locked up. We're going to have to use real light tension on this lock. So let's put it in the vise and open it up and look at the pins. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway, and we're going to use light tension. We're going to use this pick, and let's go to the back and work our way to the front. There's pin 6, pin 5, pin 4, pin 1. Okay, let's reset it. We're not getting any feedback on it. Sometimes it's hard to get the feedback on this lock. Okay, there's pin 6. A little bit on pin 3 then. It's there's pin 6 and pin 5, pin 3, pin 2, pin 4 and pin 3, pin 5 then, pin 4, pin 2, pin 1, okay, there's pin 2 and it's open. That took a little bit longer to open than I thought, but anyway, there it is open. Appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble, and thank you again.